what's occurring?
Morning.
Well, we're off this weekend somewhere very...
Different.
Yeah.
Not big site. We found a little CL site quite local, so we're going to give that a try.
Called What's Occurring.
Yeah.
So we'll see you now in a minute. Watch the journey.
Oh, what's occurring?
Hi, what's occurring?
Good afternoon.
Welcome to our little CL. No, it was a sanctuary to us when we had the first lockdown, didn't we? We only bought the van up here, and every weekend this is where
We went on holidays.
We went on holidays.
In the guards up the road.
Yeah. It's been lovely. We had visitors, guests last night.
Aye.
Bev Spencer.
Aye.
It was lovely, really nice.
How long?
And you can see a little clip about that, about the
It
funny
wasn't
games.
long. It wasn't long. Only half past two. They left half past two.
Have a little look at that now. Lovely evening. Yeah, Bonzo. We're all outside having a drink. Saturday night. It's fabulous, lovely. Local CL. Having a good time. See you in the morning. We haven't got anything booked until the Peterborough show, and you haven't been very well.
Yes.
I've
Chilled.
been
How was
brilliant.
a chilled weekend?
Got the MOT on
Tuesday?
That's right, yeah.
You will take it Tuesday?
I did take it down to Netflix on Tuesday.
Shouldn't keep it in one piece.
I'll be fine.
I know.
That was another reason why we couldn't go away this weekend, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We might go away next weekend, but the first one that's booked is Peterborough. And we booked something else today,
Yeah.
didn't we?
Yeah. I was ordered a bucket.
Yeah.
Costing me a fortune. Sis.
We were watching the Roman Radfords, and they were talking to the president of the Camping Caravan Club. And there's a festival 19th, 20th and 21st of August up in, where is it? I know it's about 4 hours away from us. Nottinghamshire, I think it is. Anyway, we'll leave you a little link for that.
It's a good weekend, that is.
Yeah, we've never been to a festival before, have we? No, I haven't. I've seen many live bands over the years, but big events, but not a couple of days. So really looking forward to that. It was £199 for 3 days, no, 3 nights. Camping there as well. So nothing planned for next weekend. I hope all you mothers out there, by the time this goes out, it will have gone Mother's Day more than likely. But
Mother and Sunday now today.
yes, it's Mother and Sunday now. So hope you've had a good weekend.
Yes.
And my daughter.
Happy Mother's Day to you all.
My daughter's taking me out now.
And I love peace and quiet.
You could do the editing of this.
No, I just think I'll get my mankini on and do a bit of Sunday then. Yeah. Gorgeous. Have you got
Use
my
the-
mankini in, have you? Yeah, is it nice? You
It's
had
up
to
the
wash it to
after.
get that the skid mark out, didn't
Oh, shut up.
you?
Oh, David, man.
Did he come out? I saw Bonzo and dropping him down there.
Bonzo's been with us up here all weekend as well, hasn't he? And he's really, really loved it. And Bev Spencer brought their new puppy, 5 months old.
There it is.
No, 7
Really
months
big.
old.
Really big, right?
Last
big.
night.
Really
And they
big.
were lovely together, weren't they?
And what happened last night? Who burnt his bum on the fire pit?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, he did, didn't he? Tit. Tit, didn't he?
He was
Squeal.
running around there and he was fine,
Squeal,
and then
that
all of a
little
sudden,
baby. The birds.
he was dragging his bum on the grass.
Trying to cool it down.
Bless him.
Not because of worms.
Oh, yeah. So, for now, we will.
He's hard, isn't it? Chasing the crows away.
So, from the what's occurring, little CL, I know it's not CL, but from what's occurring at home in the van, please like and subscribe. It is free. Give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment,
Or else.
and we'll see you now in a minute.
Yes, enjoy.
Bye.
Oh, what's occurring?